Good morning, I'm Mark Zinman, Certified Public Accountant, Zinman and Company. One of the other things that we do, and I don't really talk about it as much, but I want to talk a little bit today, is we offer something we call virtual controllership at our office, which is basically a menu of services that's catered to the need of the client. So I'll give you some examples. We have a client of ours, our largest client is in the construction field, and we actually pay all of their bills. We actually enter and pay all their accounts payable, and they write several hundred checks a week. We help them with their collections. Two of us attend a management meeting 2 hours every week on Thursdays. We help them manage their business. We actually get department reports from every department in the organization, put it together an agenda, and have a meeting with the 5 owners, which is always sometimes fun since they're all siblings. But it ranges from that. We have clients in which all the bills come to our office. We get a P.O. box in Southampton. They have all their bills come to Southampton. We write the checks for them, and they sign them. We do online banking and stuff like that. We have a team of bookkeepers. So, and the advantage there is that how we got into this is that quite often our clients that either the books and records outgrew the wife or the husband who was keeping them, or the client themselves. And the other thing that ended up happening is people would hire bookkeepers and they'd pay them and then they would leave. So they get them trained, they leave, they get sick, they go on vacation. And so they were constantly going through this endless cycle of having to train somebody else, worried about whether or not it was being done correctly. It's very hard to come into someone at the end of the year and say, well, we really have to kind of like fix everything because it's kind of like messed up. So what we have noticed is that people that use us and do our bill paying service and stuff like that, it's not inexpensive. I don't want to, but you're comparing it to the cost of a bookkeeper versus the cost of an accounting firm. But the synergy there is that our people know how to do everything right. So what we find is that the accounting fees are much less.